మన దైనందిన జీవితంలో సంప్రదాయం ఒక ప్రముఖ పాత్ర వహిస్తుంది. మన పూర్వీకులు మనకు ఎన్నో సాంప్రదాయాలను అలవాటు చేశారు. మన హిందూ సాంప్రదాయంలో పసుపు, కుంకుమ, పువ్వులు, పండ్లను శుభప్రదంగా భావిస్తారు. అంతేకాక తులసి, రావి, వేప చెట్లను దైవంగా భావించి పూజిస్తాము. తమలపాకులు మరియు మామిడాకులకు మన సాంప్రదాయంలో ఎన్నలేని స్థానం. క్రమంగా ఆధునిక జీవన శైలిలో ఈ సాంప్రదాయాలు కనుమరుగైపోతున్నాయి. వీటిని మూఢ నమ్మకాలుగా భావించి నేటి తరం కొట్టిపారేస్తున్నారు. నిజానికి ఈ సంప్రదాయాల వెనుక ఎన్నో శాస్త్రీయ విషయాలు దాగి ఉన్నాయి. సంప్రదాయాల మాటన దాగిన శాస్త్రీయ విషయాలను నేటి తరానికి తెలియచేయడం వల్ల వారిలో మార్పు వస్తుందని ఆశిస్తూ సంప్రదాయాల మాటన దాగిన శాస్త్రీయ విషయాలను ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలుసుకుందాం.
ఓంకారం ఈ సృష్టి యొక్క సారం. ఓం అంటే మంత్రం కాదు, మత సంబంధమైనది అసలే కాదు, అతి పవిత్రమైన నాదం. ఉచ్ఛ్వాస నిశ్వాసాల నియంత్రణకు ఒక గొప్ప సాధనం. ప్రాతకాల సమయంలో ఓంకారాన్ని లయబద్ధంగా పలికితే అలసట తగ్గి ఊపిరితిత్తుల పనితీరు, జీర్ణ వ్యవస్థ మెరుగుపడతాయి, ప్రశాంతత కలుగుతుంది. నిత్యం ఓంకారం పఠిద్దాం, ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కాపాడుకుందాం.
సంప్రదాయం ప్రకారం ఇంటి ముందు ముగ్గు వేస్తే ఇంటికి శుభప్రదం మరియు లక్ష్మీదేవి మన ఇంటిలోకి వస్తుందని నమ్మకం. శాస్త్రపరంగా చూస్తే పూర్వకాలంలో ముగ్గు వేయడానికి బియ్యపిండిని ఉపయోగించేవారు. దీని వలన కోటాను కోట్ల క్రిములకు ఆహారం పెట్టినట్లు అవుతుంది. క్రమంగా మనం రాతి ముగ్గును ఉపయోగించడం అలవాటు చేసుకున్నాము.
పండుగ నాడు ఇంటి ప్రవేశ ద్వారానికి మామిడాకుల తోరణం కట్టి దేవతలను ఆహ్వానించడం మన సాంప్రదాయం. శాస్త్రపరంగా చూస్తే మామిడాకులు పచ్చిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటికి కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ను గ్రహించే శక్తి ఉంటుంది. అందుకే మామిడాకులను ఇంటికి తోరణాలుగా కట్టడం అనే సాంప్రదాయం వచ్చింది.
గడపని లక్ష్మీదేవికి ప్రతీకగా భావిస్తారు. గడపకి పసుపు రాసి కుంకుమ ముగ్గులతో అలంకరిస్తారు. ఈ సాంప్రదాయం వెనుక శాస్త్రపరమైన కారణం కూడా ఉంది. పసుపులో ఉండే యాంటీబయోటిక్ లక్షణం బయట నుండి వచ్చే విషపూరితమైన క్రిములని నశించిపోయేలా చేస్తుంది.
హిందూ విశ్వాసంలో తులసి పవిత్రమైన మొక్క. దీనిని లక్ష్మీదేవి అవతారంగా భావించి ప్రతిరోజు నీళ్లు సమర్పించి పూజ చేయటం మన సాంప్రదాయం. ఇంట్లో తులసి మొక్క ఉండడం వల్ల దోమలు, కీటకాలు రాకుండా చేస్తుంది. మిగతా మొక్కల కన్నా తులసి నుండి వచ్చే ప్రాణవాయువు 4 రెట్లు ఎక్కువ. దీనిలోని అద్భుతమైన ఔషధ గుణాలు రోగనిరోధక శక్తిని పెంచి వివిధ రోగాలు నయం చేయడంలో సహాయం చేస్తుంది.
మనం కింద కూర్చుని భోజనం చేయడం అనే సాంప్రదాయం వెనక ఒక శాస్త్రం దాగి ఉంది. అదేంటంటే కింద కూర్చోవడం వలన రక్త ప్రసరణ బాగా జరిగి హృదయం మెరుగ్గా పనిచేస్తుంది. మనం ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండగలుగుతాం. మనం చేతి వేళ్లతో ఆహారాన్ని భుజించడం వలన మిలియన్ల కొద్ది నరాలు బ్రెయిన్ కి సంకేతాలు పంపిస్తాయి. మనం ఆహారం తినబోతున్నామనే సంకేతం మెదడుకు చేరి పొట్టని అప్రమత్తం చేస్తుంది. దీంతో పొట్టలో జీర్ణరసాలు లేదా ఎంజైమ్స్ విడుదల అవుతాయి. దీనివల్ల జీర్ణశక్తి మెరుగవుతుంది.
హిందూ సాంప్రదాయంలో కుంకుమకి చాలా ప్రాముఖ్యత ఉంది. సనాతన ధర్మాన్ని, వేదాన్ని, దైవాన్ని నమ్మేవారు తప్పకుండా మనం కుంకుమ ధరించాలి అని చెప్తారు. శాస్త్రాన్ని బట్టి చూస్తే కూడా నుదుటి మధ్య భాగంలో వేడిని పుట్టించే నాడులు ఉంటాయి. అక్కడ కుంకుమను ధరించడం ద్వారా ఆ వేడి చల్లబడుతుంది, నాడీ వ్యవస్థ చురుకుగా పనిచేస్తుంది.
హిందూ సాంప్రదాయంలో స్త్రీలు ధరించే పంచమాంగళ్యములలో గాజులు ఒకటి. పునరుత్పత్తికి సంబంధించిన నాడీ కేంద్రాలు మణికట్టుకు పైన ఉంటాయి. గాజులు కదులుతున్నప్పుడు కలిగే ఒత్తిడి వల్ల గర్భాశయానికి సంబంధించిన హెచ్చుతగ్గులు సర్దుకుంటాయి. రక్త ప్రసరణ కూడా బాగా జరుగుతుంది.
ఆడపిల్లలకు చెవులు కుట్టించి చక్కని ఆభరణాలు ధరింపచేసి లక్ష్మీదేవిలా తలుచుకొని మురిసిపోతుంటారు. ఇక శాస్త్రపరంగా చూస్తే చెవులు కుట్టించడం వలన కంటి చూపు శక్తి పెరుగుతుంది. చెవి ఆభరణం కదులుతున్నప్పుడు ఒత్తిడి కలిగి మొత్తం నాడీ మండలం ప్రచోదనం జరుగుతుంది.
సంధ్య వేళల్లో దీపం వెలిగించటం మన సాంప్రదాయం. దీపం మనల్ని చీకటి నుండి వెలుగులోకి తెస్తుంది. మనలో ఉన్న సత్వ, రజ, తమో గుణాలను నియంత్రించి మనలో సానుకూల శక్తిని పెంచి మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాతావరణంలో పవిత్రతను పెంచుతుంది. సిరి సంపదలు, ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కలిగిస్తుంది. అందుకే దీపాన్ని లక్ష్మీ స్వరూపం అని కూడా అంటారు. దీపజ్యోతి నమోస్తుతే.
తెలుగు సాంప్రదాయంలో వేప చెట్టుకు చాలా ప్రాముఖ్యత ఉంది. ఇంటి ముందు వేప చెట్టును సాక్షాత్తు లక్ష్మీదేవిగా భావిస్తారు. ఇక శాస్త్రపరంగా చూస్తే వేప చెట్టు నుండి వచ్చే ప్రతి భాగము కూడా మనిషి ఆరోగ్యంలో పాలు పంచుకుంటున్నాయి. అందుకే వేప చెట్టును సర్వరోగ నివారణి అని అంటారు. మనిషికి కావలసిన స్వచ్ఛమైన గాలిని ఈ వేప చెట్టు అందిస్తుంది. వేప ఎన్నో సుగుణాలున్న చెట్టు.
శుభకార్యాలలో నలుపు రంగు బట్టలు ధరించరాదని సాంప్రదాయము ఉంది. ఈ సాంప్రదాయము వెనుకాల కూడా ఒక శాస్త్రపరమైన కారణము ఉంది. నలుపు రంగుకి వేడిని గ్రహించే శక్తి ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. దీని వలన మన శరీరము వేడెక్కి ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది. శుభకార్యాలలో ఎక్కువ మంది ఉండడము వలన మనము ఆ వేడిని భరించలేము.
చూశారు కదా, ఇలా ప్రతి సాంప్రదాయం వెనకాల ఏదో ఒక శాస్త్రం దాగి ఉంటుంది. కనుక మనం సాంప్రదాయబద్ధంగా నడుచుకుంటూనే శాస్త్రపరంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉందాము, ఆనందమయమైన జీవితాన్ని గడుపుతాం.
Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. A warm welcome to each one of you here. We, the terrific team of grades 1, 2 and 3 are here with a special program for you on this occasion of Children's Day. We will try and go back to our childhood today and entertain all of you with the childish naughtiness in each one of us. Children, do you want to be called Bolton champions? If yes, stay tuned. Support your friends and enjoy this program. Miss Bachchan, I mean Miss Salma, is here to host the very interesting program KBBC, Kaun Banega Bolton Champ. So, what are we waiting for? Let's put our hands together to welcome our own Lady Bachchan, our quiz master, Miss Salma.
Namaskar, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to KBBC, Kaun Banega Bolton Champion. And we have our contestant to play the round. So before we begin our program, let me tell you about two lifelines. One is 50-50, that is, two wrong options will be deleted. There will be only two left options, one is right and the other is wrong. And we have one more lifeline, that is expert advice. As expert to offer you advice of any manner, we have Miss Lavi as an expert advisor in our today's show. Lavi ji, welcome to our show.
Namaste Salma ji, thank you so much.
Namaste Lavi ji. Now let's invite our first contestant, Julie.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm so excited to be here, ma'am.
Excellent. Even I'm very happy to have you as a contestant of our children's favorite KBBC show, Kaun Banega Bolting Champion. Welcome, Julie.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here comes your question on your computer screen. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Shah Rukh Khan, or D. Narendra Modi. What's your answer?
I'm just thinking because I know Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November and I remember Chacha Nehru. But here I am not finding Chacha Nehru. Ma'am, I will go with an option. I'll use my lifeline.
Which lifeline you want to use?
50-50, ma'am.
50-50. Okay, computer G. Julie got stuck at a question and she wants to use her lifeline 50-50. Please activate 50-50. Now, Julie, you are left with only A and D. What's your answer?
I remember. It is Jawaharlal Nehru.
Shall I lock it?
Yeah. Because it is Chacha Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So I'll go with Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, computer G. Please lock A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's see your answer is right or wrong.
Yes.
You scored 10 points.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's call our next contestant, Pradnya.
Thank you, Salma ji. How are you?
I'm fine, Pradnya ji. Welcome to our show.
Thank you for your warm welcome. I am so thrilled to be here.
Even we are happy to see you as a contestant.
Thank you.
Okay, Pradnya ji. Here's your question on computer screen before you. Complete the rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a dash. Your options are A. Wall, B. Bus, C. Chair, D. Pot. What's your answer?
Humpty Dumpty. It's a rhyme, right? So, Humpty Dumpty sat on a bus. No. Humpty Dumpty sat on a cot. No. Chair. No, it's a chair. One chair. So Humpty and Dumpty both can't sit together in one chair. So it has to be wall. Salma ji. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Yeah, I think it's wall, Salma ji. I would like to go with A option. Wall.
Okay, computer G. Please lock A. Wall. Let's see your answer is right or wrong. You scored 10 points.
Thank you.
Let's invite our next contestant, Aruna.
Namaskaram Salma ji.
Namaskaram Aruna. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
The question is here on your computer screen. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Your options are A 6, B 12, C 7, D 10. What's your answer?
How many colors are there rainbow? R A I N B O W. R A I N B O W. A 6, B 12, C 7, D 10. Yeah, my 7. 7 is the answer.
Shall I lock C7?
Yeah, 7.
Okay, computer G, please lock C7. Let's see your answer is right or wrong.
Thank you, Salma ji.
You scored 10 points.
Thank you.
Let's see who's our next contestant. Kavita.
Good morning, Salma ji.
Good morning, Kavita.
I am very excited to be here, Salma ji.
Even I am excited to see you as a contestant on our show.
Thank you, Salma ji.
Here's your question on your computer screen. Which number comes after 999? And your options are A 9910, B 1000, C 9099, D 9100. What's your answer?
Which number comes after 999? 999. Which number comes after 999? I am getting confused to choose C or B. Either B or C. Maybe any one of these. Why can't I use Lifeline? Salma ji, I would like to use expert advice.
Okay, computer G, Kavita got stuck at a question and she wants to use her Lifeline expert advice. And as an expert advisor, we have Lavi in our show. Lavi ji.
Hello Salma ji.
Kavita got stuck at a question and she needs your help.
Hi Lavi ji, this is Kavita. I am in KVBC right now. I got stuck at one question. Can you help me to find out the right answer?
Hello Kavita, I will definitely help you out dear.
This is the question. Which number comes after 999? A 9910, B 1000, C 9099, D 9100.
Kavita, when I was a small kid like you, my maths teacher taught me this in the maths class. Answer for this is B 1000. Option
Are
B.
you sure, Lavi ji?
Yes, I am sure. Lock कर दिया जाए.
Shall I go with the option B? Thank you, Lavi ji. I'll go with this. Salma ji, please lock option B.
Okay, computer G, please lock option B. 1000. Let's see your answer is right or wrong. You scored 10 points.
Thank you, Salma ji. Thank you.
Here we present our next contestant, Pavani.
Hi, Salma ji.
Hi, Pavani. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Well, Pavani, here's your question on the computer screen. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Your options are A. Dog, B. Cow, C. Camel, D. Tiger. What's your answer?
Salma ji, I'm confused with the question itself. What will be the answer? I'm not understanding the question also. Salma ji, I want to go with the option expert. No. I want to go 50-50.
Okay, computer ji, Pavani ma'am. Pavani got stuck with the question at a question and she needs to use her lifeline. That is 50-50. Okay, please activate 50-50. Now you are left with only two options, A and C. What's your answer?
Salma ji, my answer is dog. Camel. I want to choose C. Option C.
Shall I lock C, camel?
Yes.
Okay, computer ji, please lock C, camel. You scored 10 points. Let's move on our questionnaire. Our next contestant is Shailaja.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Shailaja. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm so excited.
Yes, so am I. Excited to have you in our show. Here's your question on your computer screen. How many sides are there in a triangle? Your options are A, 4, B, 2, C, 3, D, 6. What's your answer?
Triangle. Ma'am, that triangle. That's bingo. It'll be like this, ma'am. 3 sides. So I'm going to go with C option, ma'am. C3. Please log the answer, ma'am.
Okay, computer ji, please log C3. Let's see your answer is right or wrong. Bingo triangles. Oh, do you like them a lot?
Yes, ma'am. I like it.
Okay. You scored 10 points. Let's invite our next contestant, Shanti.
Hi, hello friends.
Shanti, welcome to our show.
Hi, hello friends. Namaste, Salma ji.
Namaste, Shanti. Here's your question on your computer screen before you. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Your options are A. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, B. Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, C. Mr. Amir Khan, D. Mr. Narendra Modi. What's your answer?
Thinking, ma'am. Chandrababu Naidu? No, he's the CM, no? Amir Khan, my favorite actor. I will go with 50-50, ma'am.
Okay, computer ji, Shanti wants to use her lifeline 50-50. Please activate 50-50. Now Shanti, you are left with only two options, C and D. What's your answer?
Amir Khan, Mr. Narendra Modi. Amir Khan, Mr. Narendra Modi. Akkad, bakkad. My answer is Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Okay, computer ji, please log D, Mr. Narendra Modi. Shanti, you scored 10 points.
Yay! Thank you, Salma ji.
Thank you, Shanti ji. Let's see who's our next contestant. Vidya.
Namaskar, Salma ji.
Namaskar, Vidya. Welcome to our show.
Thank you. I am very happy.
Even we are happy to see you as a contestant. The question is here on your computer screen. What was Jawaharlal Nehru's favorite flower which he always wore on his coat? And your options are A. Lotus, B. Red rose, C. Jasmine, D. Lily. What's your answer?
I am confused between lotus and red rose. Aak pak karve pak dam doom dish. Expert advice, Salma ji.
Okay, computer G. Vidya, she wants to use expert advice. So, as an expert advisor, we have Lavi on our show. Lavi ji.
जी सलमा जी बोलिए.
Vidya got stuck at a question and she needs your advice.
Oh, Lavi ji, I'm in trouble. Please help me. What was Jawaharlal Nehru's favorite flower, which he always wore on his coat? Options: lotus, red rose, jasmine, and lily.
Dear Vidya, if I have not seen the options also, I could have answered this question. Jawaharlal Nehru used to wear red rose on his coat. He used to love red rose, so he used to wear red rose on his coat. You can go with option B, dear, red rose.
Salma ji, red rose.
Okay, computer G. Please lock red rose. You scored 10 points.
Thank you.
Here we present our next contestant, Deepika.
Hello, Salma ji. How are you?
Hello, Deepika. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, Salma ji.
Here's your question on computer screen before you. What is a house made of ice called? Your options are A. Flat, B. Igloo, C. Hut, D. Tent. What's your answer?
Houses. I know this answer. Salma ji, when I was in grade 1, my teacher taught me about different types of houses. Then I remembered this answer. I for ice, I for igloo. Yes. I'll go with option B, Salma ji. Please lock kar dijiye. I want to go with option B.
Okay, computer G, please log B, igloo. Let's see your answer is right or wrong.
Yay!
You scored 10 points.
Thank you, Salma ji.
Let's move on our questionnaire. Let's see who is our next contestant. Narmada.
Good morning, Salma ji.
Good morning, Narmada. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, and thank you for calling me to the show.
Here's your question on your computer screen. Which festival is called the Festival of Lights? Your options are A. Christmas, B. Holi, C. Diwali, D. Dasera. What's your answer?
I'm getting confused, Salma ji. My mom used to decorate the house on all the festivals with beautiful lights. So I'm getting confused with this question. I would like to go with expert advice, ma'am.
Okay. Lavi is the expert advisor on our show. Lavi ji?
Yes, Salma ji.
Narmada needs your help.
Hi, Lavi ji.
Hello, Narmada.
I'm stuck with a question. Can you please help me?
Definitely, dear, I will help you out.
I'll read the question. Which festival is called the Festival of Lights? Christmas, Holi, Diwali and Dashera?
Dear, we light festivals, put lights on in every festival, but in Diwali we will put more lights. So answer for this is Diwali. C option.
Are you sure?
Yes, lock कर दिया जाए.
Okay, Salma ji, I would like to go with option C, Diwali.
Do you want to go with expert advice? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, computer ji, please lock C, Diwali. But before you lock the question, computer ji, let me tell you, Narmada, that one wrong answer, you are going to go back to 0 amount. But if you give this as a correct answer, you will win 1 crore rupees. What do you say? Shall I lock C, Diwali?
My Bolton is never say wrong. So I would go with the option C, ma'am.
Okay, computer ji, please lock C, Diwali. Well done! You have won a fortune!
Thank you.
Congratulations on winning fabulous amount of prize money, 1 crore it is.
Yay!
And here is a check of 1 crore rupees in the name of Bolton School Champ. Here you go.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Salma ji, for giving us wonderful opportunity to be a part of KBBC. Kaun Banega Bolton Champion.
Thank you. Now, a Bolton round of applause for Bolton Champs. Thank you, dear contestant and our expert advisor, Lavi, for being on our show. Bye for now. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Salma ji.
Thank you, Salma ji.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Diwali or Deepavali, the festival of lights, has all the charm, grandeur, and splendor that illuminates our minds and hearts. The festival of Deepavali has a deep spiritual meaning. It essentially means the awareness of the inner light, which has the power to outshine darkness and clear all obstacles in life. It is celebrated for 5 consecutive days at the end of Hindu month of Ashvayuja Masa. Diwali's essence lies in the shloka Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, which means lead me from darkness to light. Similarly, we have to light the lamp of happiness, the lamp of prosperity, and the lamp of knowledge to dispel sorrow, poverty, as well as disease. Every Indian welcomes the divine festival of Diwali with open arms. Irrespective of different cultures and backgrounds, the nation comes together on this auspicious day to celebrate the festival with lights, gifts, sweets, rangolis, joy and laughter. Although the essence of the festival stays the same across the country, Diwali traditions and activities vary from state to state. Today, we will take you through a short tour through some of the states of India where Diwali is celebrated with great pomp and show.
In Tamil Nadu, it is observed 2 days before Diwali, Asvayaja Bahula Trayodasi, signifies the importance of wealth and is also known as Dhanatrayodasi in Tamil Nadu. On this day, the devotees place a Kubera Yantra in the puja room and pray to Lord Vigneshwara to seek the blessing of Lord Kubera. Dry dates, honey and jaggery are offered to the Lord and a ghee lamp is lit. Women buy silver and gold for the house and doorways are decorated with garlands made of mango leaves and marigolds. Dhanvantari, the goddess of health and wealth, is worshipped. 13 lamps made out of flour and lit with oil and are placed outside the house, facing southwards in the evening and are kept burning throughout the night to keep death and sorrow away. They are also known as Yamadipadan. Late at night, women bring out their household objects like dustpans, mops and brooms to drive away Jeshta Devi, the goddess of poverty. Ellarukkum Deepavali Nalvayalthukal.
In Punjab, on the day of Diwali, Amritsar's Golden Temple lights up in all its glory. The temple was constructed during Diwali in the year 1577. Diwali and Baisakhi, which are the harvest festivals, are the most important festivals to the Sikhs. However, they do not worship any particular god or goddess on this day. Instead, they celebrate Diwali to mark the release of Guru Har Gobind Sahib, the sixth Guru from prison in 1619, who was unjustly imprisoned by Jahangir. Diwali diya lakh lakh badhaiya. Happy Diwali!
Diwali is 5 days celebration in Uttar Pradesh. First day named as Dhanteras. People buy utensils, silver and gold coin. Second day named as Narak Chaturdasi. Demon Narakasur was killed by Lord Krishna. Third day named as Badi Diwali, Lakshmi Puja. It is dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. People set off many fireworks. Fourth day, Diwali is celebrated as Govardhan Puja or Ankur. On this day, people prepare food and offer to Lord Krishna. Fifth day, Diwali ends with Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters pray for long and happy lives for their brothers. Happy Diwali to all of you.
In Bengal, Diwali is celebrated as Kali Puja. On this day, people offer Goddess Kali fish, meat and hibiscus flowers. Usually, Kali Puja takes place overnight in several pandals. It is a grand celebration at Kali Ghat and Dakshineshwara Temple in Kolkata. সবাইকে কালী পুজোর শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। হ্যাপি দিওয়ালি।
Diwali in Gujarat begins in the second lunar fortnight of Hindu month Ashwin, and the month is known as Aso. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days in Gujarat. Day 1, Agniras. People start preparing for Diwali by cleaning their homes, fasting and preparing delicacies. Day 2, Vak Baras. Vak, the goddess who personifies oral communication and speech, is worshipped. Cows are also worshipped on this day and all the financial accounts are closed. Day 3, Dhanteras. Worship of goddess of wealth is extensively observed in Gujarat. Day 4, Kali Chaudish. It is also known as Naraka Chaturdasi. It is considered as the day when Ma Kali killed the evil Raktabija. Lord Hanuman is also worshipped on this day. Day 5, Lakshmi Puja. This is the most joyous and colorful day of the festival. On this day, people wake up before dawn, have a bath and visit temples. Houses are decorated with lamps and rangolis. Sweets and savories are distributed and a spectacular display of firecrackers begins.
Diwali is celebrated for 3 days with great enthusiasm in Haryana. First comes the Little Diwali or Pitru Puja, the day when rice and sugar put in vessels with a paisa placed on the top are given away to Brahmins and girls. Houses are whitewashed and cleaned. On the second day of Diwali, People perform pujas which are considered auspicious for their professions. Lamps are lighted in the evening and sweets are distributed. The third day of Diwali is called Govardhan Pujas. There is a tradition of building cow dung hillocks symbolizing the Mount Govardhan which was once lifted by Lord Krishna. आप सभी को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
दीपावलीरा अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा। In Odisha, Diwali is marked by a ritual called Bado Baduwa Dhako. This unique tradition is associated with the Jagannatha culture because he is believed to be the supreme god. According to the tradition, the day of Diwali is marked by invoking ancestors and forefathers of one's family and praying homage to them in order to receive their blessings. People burn jute sticks to seek blessings of the ancestors and receive luck on this day. The meaning of the prayer in English is, O forefathers, come to us in this dark evening. We light your way to heaven, having Mahaprasada. May you attain salvation on the 22 steps of the Jagannatha temple of Puri. Dhanyabad.
Namaskar. Maharashtra celebrates Diwali in a special way. The festivities generally last between 4 to 5 days. It usually begins with Vasubaras and Dhan Trayodasi, followed by Naraka Chaturdasi, Lakshmi Pujan, Diwali Padwa, and Bhau Bij on the last day. They conclude Diwali Puja with Tulsi Vivaha. Throughout the period of Diwali, Marathi people hang traditional Akash Kandil or Akash Deep and light up pantis or place traditional diyas outside their houses. Rangolis are very popular in Maharashtra during the Diwali season. On this day, the traditional Diwali food farar like chakli, chivda, khadboli, shakarpale, karanji and laddus are prepared by them. People exchange sweets, dry fruits and gifts during Diwali as a token of regard. सर्वांना दीपावलीचा हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Every Diwali, people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana chant prayers and seek blessings from the clay idol of Satyabhama, who was supposed to have killed the mighty demon Narakasura. Crackers stuffed effigies depicting Narakasura are burnt on this day. Legend has it that the friend's dying wish was to live for one more day in the grandest way possible. Thus, fireworks, feasts and festivities are meant to fulfill this desire. Andariki Deepavali Subhakangshalu. Happy Diwali.
Deepavaliya Subhashayaglu. Deepavali is celebrated for 3 days in Karnataka state. The first and third days of Deepavali hold special significance for Kannadigas. The day of Ashwija Krishna Chaturdasi is celebrated to mark the killing of a demon named Narakasura. Lord Krishna is believed to have taken an oil bath to rid himself of the blood of Narakasura splattered on his body after having killed him. To commemorate the same, people take oil bath on Naraka Chaturdasi. It is believed that Goddess Ganga resides in the water and Goddess Lakshmi in the oil, and hence oil bath is a must for Diwali in Karnataka. The third day of Deepavali is called Balipadyami. Women of the house sketch colorful rangoli at the doorstep and build forts in Kaudan. There are stories attributed to King Bali that are remembered and celebrated on this day. Festivities continue till the day of Tulsi Puja.
Diwali for Goans is the day when Lord Krishna killed Narakasura. Bhau Bija and New Year are also celebrated as part of Diwali festival. In Goa, huge effigies of Narakasura made of waste papers are paraded across streets and are later burnt at dawn. Diwali night is visual with millions of sky lanterns, lamps, and fireworks. The lamps signify enlightenment or upliftment of the mind and edification of the spirit. दीपावलीची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali.
Let's lead the path of light. Wishing all of you a delightful Diwali. Happy Diwali.